3 large seedlings of Psychopsis krameriana, practically identical young plants, and start a project with them. By way of an experiment, I would like to grow on these orchids that are very similar in size, but I thought input from our viewers would be nice and useful, and in a way we can do this project together. The first one will be mounted on driftwood with sphagnum moss or Synthic. That'll be my choice, but then the other two are your choices. The second plant I want to grow potted, but you tell me what type of pot, plastic, terracotta, whatever, and also tell me what media or media mix I should possibly use. And for the third one I was thinking potted, preferably in semi-hydro, but then I need your help in telling me how and what inorganic media to use. So what I want you to do, my viewers, leave a comment below in the comment section, and this before July 17th, 2023, and tell me how you like me to proceed with plants number 2 and 3. Now all 3 plants will be cared for under the same growing conditions, but just be grown in different ways. But if in time a growth method, one of the orchids, doesn't do well, we need to change the way it's been growing, and of course then I'll come back to you for more input. Now all possibilities you mention in the comment section will be considered, but may be adjusted by me to suit my growing conditions in the home or in my grow tent. When the project is started, I will go over the possibilities you mentioned or advised me and why before I move on. The growing possibilities that are mentioned the most will be used. If you like, you can also send me your suggestions by email. I will list the email address below in the description. As I mentioned before, I've grown several Psychopsis in the past, but these 3 are a fresh start. On the subject of fertilizing, that's my choice, and I will only use Akerne's rain mix. And once we start the project, I'll try to give updates every 2 to 3 months, depending on how the plants evolve and if we need to tweak the growing method. And I want to thank you for your support and help in taking this journey of Project Orchids with me.